Hello and welcome to this Maths Sats walkthrough. Today's question is on a measuring jug. So we need to understand how the scales on the measuring jug work. So how do we read the numbers? How do we figure out what numbers are missing? And most importantly, how do we add another 150 millilitres to that jug? So the first thing to do is looking at the numbers that are there, and of course knowing that the bottom of the jug when it's empty would be 0. And you can see that we've got 0, and then the next label is 200, and then the next label is 400, the next label is 600, the next label is 800. So the current level of the water, of the liquid in the jug, is exactly between 400 and 600 millilitres. You can probably see that on the screen, which means at the moment there are 500 millilitres of liquid in this measuring jug. So if we analyse that a little bit further, you can see 0 at the bottom, and then I'm going halfway steps. So halfway between 0 and 200, that would be 100, and then halfway between those again would be 50. Yeah, halfway point between 0 and 100 is 50. So all of those little markers on that particular measuring jug are worth 50 millilitres. So every time I go up that little jump, that's 50 millilitres extra. Now 150 is what we need, so that's 3 lots of 50, which means I need to jump up 3 of the little gaps to that new blue line. The other way to work it out, of course, is to do 500 that we figured out earlier and add the 150, which is 650, and then find that on the scale, which of course would sit between 600 and 700. And that's where the new line needs to sit.